अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे आप सब। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। आज हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे न्यू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन सीरीज़। इस क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ में हम 10 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। ICDS ऑप्शन ए इंक्लूसिव चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज, ऑप्शन बी इंक्लूसिव चाइल्ड डायमेंशन सर्विसेज, ऑप्शन सी इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज, ऑप्शन डी इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट स्टैट्स। अगर हम बात करेंगे ICDS की, बेसिकली ये एक अम्ब्रेला टर्म है। बेसिकली इट स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज। सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन। ICDS is integrated child development services. This is an umbrella term. Question number 2. National policy on child labor was prepared by Government of India in which year? Option A 1986, option B 1988, option C 1989, option D 1987। जो नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन चाइल्ड लेबर बनाई गई थी, जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने बनाई थी, इसने ये किस ईयर में बनाई थी? सो अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, दैट विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज़ 1987। जो नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन चाइल्ड लेबर बनाई गई थी, ये बनाई गई थी 1987 में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। For child development, which of the following is not necessary component? Option A environment, B excessive wealth, C nutrition, D surrounding culture। अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर बात करेंगे, फॉर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट के लिए कौन सा ऐसा यहाँ पे कंपोनेंट है जो नेसेसरी नहीं है? क्या ये एनवायरनमेंट है, क्या ये एक्सेसिव वेल्थ है, क्या ये न्यूट्रिशन है, क्या ये सराउंडिंग कल्चर है? बेसिकली अगर हम यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस की बात करेंगे, एनवायरनमेंट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट। अगर हम न्यूट्रिशन की बात करेंगे, न्यूट्रिशन भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट के लिए। अगर हम सराउंडिंग कल्चर की बात करेंगे, दैट विल बी आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट। बट एक्सेसिव वेल्थ, दिस इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट और नेसेसरी फॉर चाइल्ड्स डेवलपमेंट। So option B is the correct option of the question. Excessive wealth is not component which is necessary for child development. So option B is the correct option. Question number 4. PC and PNDT stands for option A Post-Conception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act, option B Pre-Conception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act, option C Pre-Conception and Postnatal Disease Technique Act, option D Pre-Conception and Prenatal Disease Techniques Act. If we talk about the right answer of the question, basically PC and PNDT stands for, basically this is an act which stands for Pre-Conception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act. So option B is the correct option of the question. PC and PNDT stands for Pre-Conception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act. Question number 5. PC and PNDT Act was enacted in which year? Option A 1992, option B 1993, option C 1994, option D 1995. If we go to the right answer of the question, right answer will be option C, that is 1994. PC and PNDT Act was enacted in 1994. Question number 6. Sabla scheme is related with option A child development, B adolescent girls, C old age people, option D all of the above. If we talk about the right answer of the question, basically the scheme, Sabla scheme, basically it is meant for adolescent girls. So option B is the correct option of the question. Sabla scheme is related with adolescent girls. Question number 7. United Nations adopted Universal Declaration of Human Rights in which year? Option A 1948, option B 1964, option C 1966, option D 1968. If we go to the right answer of the question, United Nations adopted Universal Declaration of Human Rights in which year? So right answer of the question is, that is 1948. The United Nations adopted Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948, and in this act there are 30 rights which has been mentioned under the act. Question number 8. CARA has been constituted under which act? Option A, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Option B, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000. Option C, the Child Marriage Restraint Act of 1976. Option D, the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. If we talk about the CARA, basically which stands for Care and Protection of Children Act. Basically, CARA has been constituted under which act? That is Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. So right answer is option A, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, in which CARA has been constituted. Question number 9. Which of the following is not an indicator of social development? Option A, longevity. Option B, literacy. Option C, clean environment. Option D, industrialization. If we talk about the right answer of the question, right answer will be, that is option D, that is industrialization. Basically is not an indicator of social development, but literacy, longevity and clean environment are the indicators of social development. Only the option industrialization is not indicator of social development. Question number 10. Which of the following is true about social development? Option A, social development is interdisciplinary. Option B, social development is interventionist. Option C, social development is progressive. Option D, all of the above. If we go to the right answer of the question, which of the following is true about social development? What will be the right answer of the question? You give me right answer of the question in comment section. What will be the right answer of the question? इस क्वेश्चन का जो राइट आंसर है वो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे देंगे. व्हाट विल बी द राइट आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन? Can it be social development is interdisciplinary? Can it will be social development is interventionist? Option C, social development is progressive. Option D, all of the above. You give me right answer of the question in comment section. Allah Hafiz.